Hey there, and welcome back to the Daily Avocado, your go-to space for simple, smart, and sustainable wellness tips. If you've been feeling like your metabolism has hit the brakes lately, you're definitely not alone. Hormonal shifts, stress, and lifestyle changes can all slow things down, but the good news? You can reignite your metabolism starting first thing in the morning. In today's video, I'm sharing 7 powerful morning routine habits that are specifically designed to help boost metabolism, support hormone balance, and give you steady energy all day long. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly maintain their weight while others struggle despite eating the same foods? The secret might be hiding in plain sight, right in your morning routine. What if I told you that the first hour of your day could determine how efficiently your body burns calories for the next 24 hours? Today, we're diving into 7 scientifically backed morning habits that can supercharge your metabolism from the moment you wake up, and the best part is, most of these take less than 5 minutes each. Your metabolism is essentially your body's internal engine, determining how quickly you convert food into energy. Think of it as a furnace that either burns hot and fast, or slow and sluggish. The incredible news is that you have more control over this process than you might imagine, especially during those crucial first moments after you open your eyes. Let's start with habit number 1, and this might surprise you because it's something you're probably already doing, but maybe not optimally. Drinking water immediately upon waking can boost your metabolism by up to 30% for the next hour and a half. Here's why this works so brilliantly. After 8 hours of sleep, your body is naturally dehydrated, and your metabolic processes have slowed down to conserve energy. When you flood your system with water, you're essentially jump-starting your internal engine back to life. But here's the game-changing twist that most people miss: the temperature of that water matters tremendously. Cold water forces your body to work harder to bring it up to your core temperature, burning additional calories in the process. Some studies suggest that drinking 16 ounces of cold water can burn about 50 extra calories. That might not sound like much, but over a year, that's equivalent to losing about 5 pounds without changing anything else. Habit number 2 is getting natural sunlight exposure within the first 30 minutes of waking. This isn't just about feeling more alert, though that's certainly a benefit. Sunlight exposure helps regulate your circadian rhythm, which directly impacts your metabolism. When your internal clock is properly calibrated, your body knows when to ramp up metabolic processes and when to slow them down. Even just 10 to 15 minutes of morning sunlight can help optimize your body's natural fat-burning cycles throughout the day. The third habit involves movement, but not in the way you might expect. Instead of diving straight into an intense workout, try gentle stretching or light movement for just 5 minutes. This could be simple arm circles, gentle twists, or basic yoga poses. This type of movement activates your nervous system and begins the process of increasing blood flow throughout your body. It's like gradually warming up a car engine instead of revving it immediately, which actually leads to better long-term performance. Here's where things get really interesting with habit number 4. Protein within the first hour of waking can increase your metabolic rate by up to 25% for several hours. This happens because of something called the thermic effect of food, which is essentially the energy cost of digesting and processing nutrients. Protein requires significantly more energy to process than carbohydrates or fats, making it metabolically expensive in the best possible way. The key is choosing the right type of protein. Eggs are fantastic because they contain all essential amino acids and are quickly absorbed. Greek yogurt works wonderfully too, especially when paired with some berries. Even a simple protein smoothie can do the trick. The goal is getting at least 20 grams, which is about 3.5 eggs, of protein early in your morning routine. Habit number 5 might seem counterintuitive, but taking a cold shower or even ending your regular shower with 30 seconds of cold water can have remarkable metabolic benefits. Cold exposure activates brown fat, which is a special type of fat tissue that burns calories to generate heat. Unlike regular fat that stores energy, brown fat actually consumes energy at a rapid rate. Regular cold exposure can increase the amount and activity of brown fat in your body, essentially turning you into a more efficient calorie-burning machine. The sixth habit focuses on mindful breathing, specifically deep diaphragmatic breathing for just 3 to 5 minutes. When you breathe deeply, you increase oxygen delivery throughout your body, which is essential for efficient cellular metabolism. Most people breathe shallowly, especially first thing in the morning, which can actually signal to your body that you're in a stressed state, potentially slowing down metabolic processes. Try this simple technique. Place one hand on your chest and one on your belly. Breathe in slowly through your nose, ensuring that the hand on your belly rises more than the one on your chest. This type of breathing activates your parasympathetic nervous system, helping optimize your body's natural metabolic functions. The seventh and final habit is perhaps the most overlooked, yet potentially the most powerful. Creating a consistent wake-up time, even on weekends, helps maintain your body's natural metabolic rhythm. Your metabolism operates on a circadian cycle, with certain processes optimized for specific times of day. When you constantly shift your wake-up time, you're essentially confusing your internal metabolic clock, which can lead to decreased efficiency in how your body processes and burns calories. Consistency doesn't mean you can never sleep in, but try to keep variations to within an hour of your normal wake-up time. Your metabolism will thank you by operating more efficiently and predictably. Now, here's the beautiful thing about these 7 habits. You don't need to implement all of them at once. Start with 1 or 2 that seem most manageable for your lifestyle. Maybe it's the cold water and protein combination, or perhaps the sunlight and consistent wake-up time appeals to you more. The key is building these habits gradually so they become automatic parts of your morning routine. Remember, these aren't magic solutions that will transform your metabolism overnight, but they're scientifically supported strategies that can give you a genuine edge in how efficiently your body burns calories throughout the day. Small changes in your morning routine can create ripple effects that impact your energy levels, mood, and metabolic function for hours afterward. Which of these 7 habits resonates most with you? So, if you're looking to boost your metabolism and feel better throughout the day, it really comes down to being intentional with how you start your morning. A few simple actions, done consistently, can make a big impact on your energy, focus, and overall health. It's not about doing everything perfectly, but about building small, sustainable habits that set the tone for the rest of your day. Start where you are, keep it simple, and let those mindful morning choices do the heavy lifting. You've got this. Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications bell for more practical health tips that you can actually implement in your daily life.